Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to tell you how to change out your 2 air filters on your John Deere commercial mowers Z series. All right, so on these Z series mowers, 915, 920, 930, 950, and I don't know how many others there are, but I have all those. It's all the same. So if you have a canister like this, it's all the same. All you're going to do is snap off this, and you got another one right over here, okay? You're going to snap that off like that, and then this cover comes off. Okay, now we just came out of a drought, so I know I'm dusty. I know I'm ready. So anyway, you got a pre-air filter and you got an air filter. You might have to do both. You might only have to do one. But just wiggle and pull, that's going to come right out. As you can see, that thing is seen its better days. It's just covered in dust and dirt, and so it's the beginning of lawn season. It's the end of drought, and it's the beginning of rainy season, so we're going to change that out. Okay, and then you also have this other little pre-air filter in here too. And this one doesn't get as bad. In fact, I don't think this really needs it. I'm probably not going to change it out, but I'm going to give you the part number anyway. But they just go in there. And so let me show you what we have for part numbers. Okay, now I got John Deere authentic parts here. You can also use Sunbelt because John Deere owns Sunbelt, so it's going to be the same thing. But these are actually John Deere parts. But your smaller filter is right here. John Deere M131803. Okay, there's that one. And then you got your bigger air filter. This one is a B1AF204. Okay, B1AF204. So these are your 2 air filters that you're going to need. This one you'll always need, and the smaller one you won't need very often. Okay, so the smaller filter is open on one end, closed on the other. So it's going to go right in the center of this tube right here, and it just kind of shoves on about 1 inch or so. You kind of give a little twist and shove. It holds its place in there. Okay. Now you can see the difference in these filters. This one came out of the dusty drought, and this is a brand new one. So we're going to put this in. Same thing, it's closed on one end, open on the other. So that's just going to go right over top of this one, and it's just going to slide in there and give a little twist and a shove, and it just goes right in there like that. Nothing to it. Now you're going to put your cover back on. You can clean out that cover if you want to, wipe out some of that dust, and then put the cover right back on. Okay, so I just got a damp rag here. Just going to wipe that dust out of there. No sense sucking that into the new air filter. And then this is where the air comes in. You can go ahead and wipe this off too. Clean that up a little bit, and you're ready for it to go back on. Okay, now when it goes back on, it's just going to snap on like this. This part here was pointing down. Okay, you're just going to shove that on there like that. And you just put your little clasp over there. Pull it back. Same thing on this other side. That clasp on there and pull it back. And you have replaced your air filters for cheap. Didn't cost you any labor. And you can just pick up your stuff at your John Deere dealer or order it on Amazon or whatever the best deal is that you could find. Now, how many hours do you do this? I really don't do it by the hours. I go in there and look at it. Okay, if I'm in dry season, dusty conditions, it's going to be more. If I'm in rainy season, or if yours is sitting for the winter or whatever, it's going to be a lot longer. So just go in there and check it. If it looks like it needs it, change it out. But I don't really go by any number of hours. For your prices, the blue air filter, the pre-air filter, the one you don't change very often, it's $28. That's John Deere. Probably cheaper with Sunbelt. And for the big air filter, the one you change most of the time, it's $17. So that's your prices, John Deere prices. You can probably get it cheaper with Sunbelt, or maybe find a good sale and buy ahead of time. Okay, there you have it. If you like it, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, we're going to have a lot more videos coming out. We're going to cover all sorts of maintenance items on these commercial Z series mowers.